every single Cuba club car. That we're back in the garden for another video. Lovely fresh air. Nice. Yo, what is this? The two Boeing 787s?
I'm better than you.
No, I'm better than you. I'm a better 787.
Look at my cool livery.
You two planes. Let's do a battle for who is actually a true GOAT of 787s. But like in every garden video, we have to have M&M's, so I'll eat those first. Finally finished eating, so now we can figure out which plane is the best. Easily. Okay, maybe not easily me. Damn it. Haha, I'm way Wait. A piece of my plane is missing. Oh! Damn it. We'll first do a landing competition. Which one can butter better? First default 787. Easy. That was pretty butter. Yippee! Now you. Oh! What? Somehow that was butter. Even though you had lost control. Man, you deserve an award. What about me? You didn't have an emergency and managed to butter. Whatever. It's time for takeoff. This is Tower speaking. We're clear for takeoff. Finally. Whoa, that's smooth. Yeah, really smooth.
really smooth.
Stop mocking him, Etihad.
Whatever.
Or else you'll be disqualified.
Whatever.
Etihad 228 clear for takeoff.
Let's go.
There's something really wrong with your 787. 0 out of 10.
Oh, what did you do?
What do you mean, what did I do? It's maybe as a punishment for mocking the original 787, the classic livery. Next up, what would happen? We'll put to the test for engine failure, double engine failure. Etihad, you will like this one.
Now you're mocking me.
First, you 787. Just chill.
Look at him. He's panicking.
What?
My God.
It's officially Etihad's turn.
Oh no. Okay, where's the 787 so I can crash right into it?
The 787 went into my pocket. I did that to prevent more, catastrophic collisions.
Please!
Sorry, Etihad. Now, what would happen if you have lost one of your wings after crashing into it?
Here we go again.
Oh boy. Etihad, this time you go first.
This time the 787 is not protected by the pocket. Hey, At least I'm touching grass.
What? You know what? Yes, grass. There we go.
At least it didn't crash into me. But
So smooth.
great. I feel like I'm in heaven.
Okay, I think that's it for all this ruckus going on. Like if you think the Boeing 787 won, and subscribe if you think Etihad won.
Subscribe!
BTW. Looking at grass, I never thought there were lots of shamrocks, but if you look close and deeply, there were hundreds of clovers here. Oh my God! What peace.